I spilled soft drink on my kitchen bench. This spray always gets the stubborn stains off.
Cause I'm dropping nice cars, pretty soon 25 the lot, spit behind bars. I'm with this live now, cause I'm a son of a gun. I'm only 19, but will I live to see 21? A local motherfucker, so you better step back, try to pull a jack. I feature bullets for a fucking snack, better believe like it's up on the lane. And coming from the track, go to that local sureño. Two blocks, matching dick in my city. Once I lighten up, just because I'm rolling clean in a Chevy. Dark skin Mexican, standing 5'0". Put the pedal to the floor, hit my glass backs roll. Hit the corner with the passion, on my way to the market. T-train shotgun with a blunt ready to spark. 10:30 in the morning, but I don't care. Hit the switch, lock it up, chronic smoke in the air. Hard glare with my
Housekeeper tip. How often should you be moving your furniture so that you can clean behind and under it? Well, it depends for every family. But I'm gonna say at least every 3 months. Now, don't get me wrong, once a month would be even better. And in a perfect world, once a week would be amazing! Like and follow for more tips.
Hey guys, I wanted to show you these new pillows that I received from LifeWit. The cooling gel inside gives the perfect amount of head support without them being too thick and bulky like other high-end pillows I've purchased in the past. They are machine washable and you can put them in the dryer, which is something I always look for when purchasing because one of my dogs likes to sleep at the top of my pillow every single night. I know you guys are going to love these pillows as much as I do. If you want to purchase them, you can go to the link in my bio to shop.
right, I just got to my afternoon client's house. Every house is different, but normally in the mornings, I start in the master bedroom, master bath. But since this is an afternoon house, I start on the main floor, and then that way when they get home from work, I'm upstairs and out of their way. So grabbing a new Swiffer duster, Fabuloso, Spritz O'Clock Baby, and a microfiber. I'll definitely have to come back for a few more, but that's a great start. You guys, I got Arby's for lunch, and it was so delicious. I hadn't had Arby's in like 5 years. I just got a classic roast beef, and it was so bomb. It was so delicious. All right, this is the living room we're starting in. Putting a new duster on my Swiffer. This is the 360. Whenever I use a 360, I feel rich. Always make sure to fluff your dusters and shake them out before you use them. You get that much more life out of them. You guys know I either vacuum or dust everything before I clean it. Just makes such a difference. Since I'm here bi-weekly, all I need is a great dust. No vacuuming the surfaces. We will vacuum the floors and the furniture, but no surfaces. This glass thing I clean in the sink every other week. I did it last time I was here, so just a dust. When I do clean it, I use Dawn Power Wash and a little bit of glass cleaner. If you have plantation shutters with the bar in front, clean and dust from the back. It's so much easier. So after I dust, I'm folding up blankets, putting them back on the blanket rack, and turning that to that. Now we can get ready to vacuum the furniture. Using the little Shark attachment that this Shark came with. This is a Shark DLX. I love this vacuum, but you can type it in on Amazon and it'll fit pretty much any vacuum. After that, Spritz O'Clock Baby, my homemade air freshener. I always vacuum under the cushions every other time and then on top of the couch every time. Now I'm just moving everything out of my way, that way I can get in there and dust and then wipe things down. I'm wiping things down with a microfiber and Fabuloso diluted with water. Fabuloso is pH neutral, so it's safe on 99.9% of surfaces, including wood and natural stone. So I'm spraying it on that table, and then on that one, I'm just spraying my rag and using wood cleaner on the bottom of that table. Athos glass cleaner for the win. It is phosphate-free, ammonia-free, and chlorine-free, so it is electronic safe. I don't use glass cleaner with ammonia in it anymore, and that's why I love Athos. Vacuuming underneath this hide rug, and then going with the direction of the hair and not using my beater or roller. I have a whole video on how to clean different rugs and hide rugs. Now going in with my Ocedar mop, using a little bit of Mr. Clean diluted with water, and boom, baby, gorgeous! Like and fall for more. Look at Gigi on the couch.